The time has come for House of Crafts to redeem itself. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified when I upload. And today we're going to be testing out another House of Crafts product, and it's this one here, a crochet teddy bear kit. And if you saw my last video with the House of Crafts product where I kind of tried to make a mosaic little candle holder and trinket jar, it wasn't good. It really wasn't good. No. So I'm hoping that this kit's going to be a little bit better, or a lot better actually. And if you are familiar with my channel, you'll know that I'm not particularly great with textiles, especially crochet or anything like that. I've never done it before. So I'm hoping this kit will be simple enough to where I can get that result. That's what I'm after. That teddy bear on the box. I want that. But let's have a quick look online, see what it says about this, see if there's any reviews or anything like that. Okay, so this is it here, and it was £10.09, so it's not too bad, it's a pretty cheap kit. It says Starter Craft Teddy Crochet Kit, contains everything required to make this cute, simple to crochet teddy bear. Once made, the bear measures approximately 26 centimeters tall. That's quite tall then. Does crochet take a long time? I have a feeling this is going to take us a lot longer than I'm thinking it's going to take us. Let's soon find out. It's a perfect kit for a beginner to get into the hobby. Blah blah blah. Right, strangely enough, it has 0 reviews. Because obviously last time, when we did the mosaic kit, there were some terrible reviews and it almost made me expect the worst. So with this one, I'm going in completely blind. I have no idea. So I think the best thing to do is to open it up, have a look inside, and get crafting. Right, okay, so this is it here, and it's a little dinky box. It's quite cute. Right, so it has stuffing, it has some green yarn, wool, whatever you want to call it. This must be your crochet hook, a needle. Oh, that'll be for the eyes and the little details, yeah. Okay, and some instructions. The instructions, I'm gonna need these. I cannot skip out on these. Quick little look. This is gonna be really hard. It's already got like on the hints and tips. This pattern is amigurumi crochet and is worked in a round with no seams to sew up at the end. Therefore, it may help to mark the beginning of the row with a 5 cm piece of contrast coloured yarn. What? This is for beginners. Oh, what have I done? I think I've bit off more than I could chew, because it's telling us what I need to make, but it doesn't tell us how to crochet. It says arms make 2, start with MR, SC6. Oh, there's pictures. I don't think I can do this. What was I thinking? Right, let me just try and figure out how I do this, because it's given us some little pictures to follow on how to kind of do the first part. So you've got ST, which means stitch, SC, which means single crochet, SC2 ink, which means 2 single crochets in the same stitch to increase 1 ST. SC3 ink, which is 3 single crochets in the same stitch to increase 2 STs. SC2 tog, take the hook through the first ST and wrap the yarn around and bring through. What? I feel like I need someone who knows what they're doing to kind of just like come and help us. Roll the end of the yarn on the palm of your left hand and wrap the yarn around your first 2 fingers clockwise to make a loop. Okay. Insert the crochet hook under the loop as shown and wrap the working yarn over and bring it through. Now wrap the yarn under the hook and bring it through the stitch to complete a chain. What? This is impossible. You've got it like that, and then it goes round there and round there, and then they bring that. Right, hang on, I'm gonna just Google how to crochet, because I can't. This isn't how to crochet.
Pointing downwards. And you could make a Then you twist it upwards and put your thumb through that.
You're going too fast.
And put your thumb through that same loop. And you grab the tail with your index finger and tighten it. So next is how you crochet hook. And you're going to twist the hook away.
Right, I've got a picture guide telling us how, because that video, she said it was for beginners, but I couldn't follow it. Just couldn't. Right, pictures. Everything you crochet begins with a slip knot on the hook, but fortunately it's a pretty simple knot to make. Bring the tail of the yarn over the working yarn. The tail should be 4 to 6 inches long, and it crosses the body of the yarn. That goes under. Is this it? No. Right, I'm not sure what I'm going to do because this isn't going to be a full video. I'm never going to be able to master this in a day, or even learn like the basics in a day. Right, this is probably going to be a super short video because I kind of give up. I can't really say whether this product was any good or not because I couldn't do it. One thing I will say though is if you've never ever crocheted and you're interested in crocheting, and you probably like maybe have the more time to do it, then it might be good for you, but I don't know. Yeah, there's no way this can be a full video on my channel because I haven't even made anything. So if I do upload this video, it's going to be just like an additional random video during the week because this hasn't worked. And it's not the kit's fault or anything, it's just I can't do it, I can't figure it out. Even the basic steps of like figuring out what the loop is and stuff, it's over my head. I need someone who knows what they're doing to be with us, to kind of show us where my hands are and where the kind of yarn goes and whether it goes under and over and where the needle goes. But I definitely don't blame the kit, I blame myself. I think if you are going to get this kit, I think you do need to have at least a slight understanding of how crochet works. And I don't. Like my grandma, she crochets and stuff. She'd easily be able to make this, but for me, I just can't. I'm kind of at a loss for words because I don't think I've ever had a video or kind of an idea that hasn't worked like at all. I've had things that have failed in the past, but I don't think I've ever had things that have just, I haven't even done anything. No, I'm still waiting on some materials for my other videos, so I can't do anything else. Yeah, I think this is just going to be a failed one. Damn. So yeah, sorry this video just didn't turn out probably as the way I wanted it to, or probably as the way you were expecting it to. But what I'll do is I'll have to get another House of Crafts product to test out on the channel to see if it can fully redeem itself from the Mosaic Craft Kit, because this isn't fair on it. This is basically down to me. It has nothing to do with them. So I can't really slag them off for that. I'm not going to say the product's bad because, or it's good, because I can't say either way. But if you're familiar with crochet or knitting and stuff like that, then let me know in the comments down below what you think of this kit. And for the price, was it worth it, was it not? Because I have literally no idea. If this video is going up, it won't be going up on a Friday, it won't be kind of my usual weekly upload, it'll be just a kind of random video during the week. But don't hang around and wait till Friday for a proper video, a video that will hopefully kind of, I'll show you how to do something, or I'll make something, or something will happen. Well, I think I'm gonna go and hunt down another kind of House of Crafts product for another time. If you come across any products or any creative products or any House of Crafts products that you want me to try out on the channel, then let me know down in the comments below. But just be aware, I can't knit, I can't crochet, and I'll see you on Friday for a brand new video. Bye! What a waste of a day.